Hello, I'm Dr. Lara Honos-Webb. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist and Hive 80 member. I've been a licensed clinical psychologist for 20 years. I got my PhD in clinical psychology at Miami University in Oxford, Ohio, where I developed a strength-based approach to treating clients consistent with positive psychology. Then after that, I moved to San Francisco, where I completed a 2-year postdoctoral research fellowship in addiction studies at the University of California, San Francisco. After that, I was an assistant professor at Santa Clara University. I published 26 scholarly articles. After publishing my book, The Gift of ADHD, I left my teaching position to start my private practice specializing in ADHD, executive functioning, and addictions. Overcoming procrastination. Procrastination is something that people struggle with. Procrastination is the voluntary delay of doing an important task, often leaving it until the last minute or past its due date. Today, I'm going to give you my top 4 tips backed by psychological research to overcome procrastination. Number 1 is chunking. Number 2 is recall a previous success. Number 3 is focus on the benefits of getting the task done. And number 4 is finding something deeper than motivation. The number 1 tip for overcoming procrastination is chunking, asking yourself, what is the smallest step that I can take next? This question can get you to take action immediately. It will also help you to take a complex task and break it down into small steps. You will see that motivation increases the smaller the task and also from seeing progress. The second quick tip to overcome procrastination is to ask yourself, when was the last time I had success with this? Many times our procrastination comes from a feeling of lacking confidence, a fearing that we won't get it right. It can come from perfectionism. If you can say to yourself, I'm just going to make progress, not perfection, or I'm just going to hit a single or a double, not a home run, we can more easily get started. The third way to overcome procrastination is to focus on how good you will feel when you complete the task. So many times we think about what we have to do and we feel this sense of, I can't do this, or I don't feel like doing this. It just takes a simple shift to focus and tell yourself, what a relief I will feel when I get this done. You can ask yourself, what would be the benefits when I just finish this if I focus on completion? And those benefits are that you will feel relief, you will have it off your to-do list, and that you will have a growing sense of competency. You will have a growing sense that you can be motivated, you can do hard things. The longer you can make this list of the benefits of getting this thing done, the more motivated you will be. And you can also write out a list of the cost of not getting it done, which would include missing deadlines and losing confidence in yourself. Now that we know how to boost motivation, the smaller the chunk, the more motivated we will be. My 4th and final tip is that at the end of the day, we want to find something deeper than motivation, and that might be ambition. Who do you want to be? The kind of person who gets things done? The kind of person that gets their goals? You can also increase motivation by thinking of all the people who will benefit from you achieving all of your goals. And the more benefits you can find to achieving your goals, the more ambitious you will be. The broadest perspective that will help you overcome procrastination is that ambition to set goals and achieve your desires and dreams.